President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated a 10-day Mysuru Dasara festival by offering prayers to goddess Chamundeshwari atop Chamundi Hills today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will embark on a visit to Japan this evening to attend the funeral of former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in Tokyo. Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry will launch Swachh Toykathon today, a unique competition to make toys from waste. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended Navratri greetings to everyone. Modi said, "May this auspicious occasion of faith and belief infuse new energy and enthusiasm in everyone's life." Over 217 crore 68 lakh COVID vaccine doses have been administered under the nationwide vaccination drive so far.